Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make the best cup of instant coffee. So if this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so what you actually want to do now is make sure your kettle's about half full and then switch on the kettle. The reason for that is that you don't want it to take 10 minutes to boil. Then you can grab your favorite coffee mug from the cabinet and just place it onto the counter. Okay, so while the kettle boils, we want to get our instant coffee ready. So I'm going to open up the drawer and I'm going to get the instant coffee right there. I'll place that onto the counter, and depending if you want milk with your instant coffee, you can add some milk. Okay, so also you will need a teaspoon in order to serve up the coffee. So I'm going to put in some milk into my instant coffee, and this what makes it even better for me, some nice full cream milk into the coffee. Okay, so then basically you want to wait for the kettle to boil. Okay, it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to boil, and we'll just wait for that. So that's why I said you don't want to fill your kettle up completely full, because then it's going to take 10-15 minutes, even sometimes, depending on the kettle. So that is actually done right now, or not. It's still boiling, but we can dish up the coffee. You can, because instant coffee is quite weak, you can put between 2 and 3 teaspoons of instant coffee. So I like it nice and strong, and I think this gives it a nice taste. So we're going to add 3 scoops of instant coffee, and then we're just going to add about a quarter cup of milk into the coffee. You don't need to measure this out. Okay, you can just start pouring, so it just covers the instant coffee granules in your cup right here. So I'm just going to pour just about that much milk into my cup, and you can see that's how much I poured, and that's going to give it a nice creamy taste in our coffee. You can just give this a stir, not too rough. But now, since the water has finished boiling, we can top up our glass with the water. Okay, and then you just want to, once you fold up your cup with the boiling water, just give it a stir, and then your delicious cup of instant coffee is ready. You can put that in the sink and you're good to go. If this did help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.